You were right, honey. A vacation away from the office was the best idea for both of us. We should have done this sooner.
I told you, baby. We needed this time off. Everything is going well at home and work. It's about time we start taking care of ourselves. I'm glad we got a chance to get away from it all.
It's too bad we have to leave in a few days. I looked forward to spending this time with you and it's ending so quickly.
Who said anything about leaving?
What are you up to, Scott?
Just sit back and relax, my love. We have more romancing to do. So, you're going to be doing a biopic on the old crew? I can't believe it.
I know. I've always loved your music. I feel like this could be a good benefit for all of us. So when can we get started? I have so many questions for you.
Actually, I want to know a few things about you. If you don't mind me asking.
Sure. What would you like to know?
I've been hearing some things about your past. And quite frankly, I'm not pleased. There's being a little rumor about you used to be a man and a stripper at Kathy's Den. Now, if I go along with this movie you plan on doing, you're going to tell me the truth right now. Is it true? Are you a man?